he told the party men that he would not be able to bring the props and the clothes for their drama right away because he needed his friend Sergeant to be sent to his cottage. And Gerard informed the party that Sergeant, my friend, would be there at the club, so the party must send the sergeant first over here to my cottage so that further things could be carried out. After that, he clicked the phone and put back the receiver on the cradle and sat back thinking that now the second play that he starts with should be based on the same theme. Some of the difficult words that you might find in the play are horn-rimmed glasses. This has come up at the place as the curtain rises. We see Gerard and on the stage with horn-rimmed glasses. Horn-rimmed glasses refers to spectacles with metallic frame. He speaks in a cultured manner. Cultured is in a dignified manner. And he tells the intruder that he should not count on him. Count on is depend upon or rely upon someone. As the intruder enters the house, he bumps onto something. And bumps over here means he hit against the table kept over there near the wing. As Gerard turns around at this noise, he sees the intruder with a gun, and therefore Gerard calls it melodramatic act. He means to say that this kind of an act does not appear to be an ordinary one, and it is somewhat melodramatic because a person entering a house with a gun cannot be a usual act or an ordinary one. Therefore, he calls it melodramatic. As the intruder is talking to Gerard, Gerard appears to be nonchalant. He is not at all scared, and nonchalant means over here he is quite indifferent towards the gunman, that is the intruder. He does not show any kind of worry on his face. As the intruder and Gerard talk ahead, this person, Gerard, who does not feel scared at all, and because of that, the intruder is very much irritated, and he tells Gerard that he would make him crawl on his fours. So crawl over here means that he would make him walk on his knees if he is not scared and if he wants to be smart enough. Another word is broken into. Broken into is that intruder has entered Essex cottage by force, and therefore the word broken into has been used. Another word is inflection, which means that modular change has been brought about in the voice. Then there is Gerard, who owns a car, and this intruder calls it a dandy bus. Dandy bus over here refers to a fashionable vehicle. This intruder is trying to elude the police and avoid the police. Elude over here refers to avoiding or dodging or being very cunning in dodging the police. Another is the word dodge, which again means the same, either elude or befool the police. Queer is another word which means strange in a way.